All right, ladies and gentlemen, just received a package just a few minutes ago from Vedder holsters. My buddy Caitlin over there, talked to her the other day, told her that I really was enjoying my light tuck holster that she had sent me from my Glock 42, and I expressed interest in checking out their Cobra gun belt. And man, this is a really nice belt. I mean, it is really nice. Feels super strong. I mean, look at that. This buckle is, you know, I mean, it's not heavy, but it's not light. You know, any other belt would be sagging pretty good by now. This appears to have 2 layers put together here. Just a super nice product. I mean, I did order a medium. I'm kind of a smaller guy. Pants size, I wear a 30 in the waist, but you know, when you got a gun, a mag carrier, and you know, cell phone, K-bar, TDI, you know, you're gonna want to go a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna get her put together and try it out. I'll wear it for a few days, and I'll give you guys a update. But I'm telling you right now, this thing, I mean, super nice belt. And for I think these things sell for, I think they're about $50, $54, something like that. And I'm gonna tell you, that's a great deal, because this is a $80 belt all day long. You know, if you buy buy from another company. And the good thing about this one is this will fit through your belt loops on your jeans. I do wear a lot of tactical pants, like 511 pants, LA police gear, so that wasn't a huge concern for me. But I do not want to have to take a belt apart in order to wear it, like if I'm going to wear blue jeans or khakis or something like that. But this is a good looking product. I'm very impressed. Which Vedder, you know, I've never touched anything that they had made that I thought was junk. I think all their products are super good, and I'm really impressed. And I just want to thank them again for letting me do this review for them. And I will, like I said, I'll wear it for a few days, and I'll give you guys a update on it. As far as YouTube gun videos go, I don't think I'm really going to have any problem, because I'm a nobody channel. But you know, people like Mr. Guns and Gear that, you know, will have links, have people that sponsor them that sell firearms. You know, they might have a problem. I'm trying to get going on Full 30 also. And check me out on Instagram. It is Glockmeister 357, but instead of the numbers 357, you actually have to spell out 357. I couldn't get it to take the numbers. But there you go, guys. This is the Vedder holsters Cobra gun belt, EDC gun belt. Thanks a lot. You guys have a nice day. Be safe.